You don't need a bain-marie or a microwave to melt almond bark, chocolate chips, or white chocolate morsels. All you need is a stove and you need to turn it on low. You want to get it moving in the beginning because if not, it can burn in the initial stages. So just keep it moving. After a while, it'll start to melt really easily, but it'll still be a little hard to move around. This is normal, but you still want to move it. A little bit longer, it'll get easier to move, but it'll start to stick together where it's melting. Don't worry, this is typical. After a little bit, it's really easy to move around. At this point, I like to toss them over to keep them from burning on one side. This works for candy melts, candy wafers, chocolate chips, white chocolate chip morsels, almond bark because it's oil-based. If it's not oil-based, it's easier to burn and you can really easily scorch chocolate, but it is still possible to do it on the stovetop without a bain-marie. However, I do recommend one for that. Now you can see it's really starting to get fluid. You need to not walk away at this point because it'll be melting within a minute or two, even though you still see really big chunks. And here you can see it's almost completely melted. This was just about 30 seconds later. And in another 30 seconds it looked like this. Just give it a quick stir. Okay, now when you see just a little bit of lumps left, turn off the heat and finish stirring it if you aren't confident. See, right now I've turned off the heat and it's ready. This was so easy to do. I hope you try it out. See, you don't need a microwave or a bain-marie to have delicious desserts. Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more recipes and be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see more videos in the future to come. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.